Who doesn't love a big plate of creamy, dreamy scalloped potatoes? I know they're one of my favorites. And today I'll be showing you a twist on an old favorite, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chew here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am a plant-based RN and I follow the Start Solution. I've been following the Start Solution since January of 2020, and on the Start Solution I lost those last 15 pounds. If you'd like more information on the Start Solution, I will leave a link in the description box below. On my channel you'll find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. And if you want to see more plant-based content from me, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Chew on Vegan. If you're new to this way of eating or just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group, and there you will find recipes, inspiration, and support. I'll leave a link to my Facebook group in the description box below. And if you're still not convinced that a plant-based diet is right for you, I've created a quick and easy little e-guide that will help explain why a plant-based diet is good for you and right for you. And I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Please sign up for my newsletter for more tips and tricks on eating plant-based and how to make it easy. So this scalloped potato recipe is a creamy, garlic, delicious recipe. It's very easy, as are all my recipes. So let's get over to the stove. I've got some mushrooms over here and I'm gonna show you how to make this dish. So I'm starting with 8 ounces of Crimini mushrooms. You can use whatever kind you'd like. You could use Bella mushrooms, baby Bellas, the white, brown, whatever you'd like. So these have cooked down to about half. And I'm gonna add to this about a tablespoon of garlic. And I just use jarred garlic, minced garlic. If you're gonna use fresh, maybe 4 cloves, but I like to make my life easier. And to this, I'm gonna add some frozen chopped spinach. Just about a cup. You could also do fresh. And then we're just gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes just to kind of defrost it a little bit. So I'm gonna cover it and give it a couple minutes. So I'm just gonna be using a pie plate. You could use whatever size you want. It doesn't really matter. I've got some thinly sliced onions. I've got my potatoes that I've sliced. I just used my mandolin. And then we've got our mushroom mixture here. And then I also made a creamy garlic sauce. It is based on my plant-based cheese sauce, just changed it up a little bit. So I'll leave the recipe to that in the description box below. The first thing you want to do is add a little bit of this creamy sauce on the bottom so they don't stick. And then just start layering them. If they overlap, that's fine. And I had done these this morning and had them sitting in some cold water, so they're a little bit stiffer than normal. Okay, and then we've got that first layer down. I'm gonna add some onions. And some mushrooms. And a little bit more of our creamy garlic sauce. And I'm going to add a little pepper to this layer. And then this will be our last layer here. Okay, and then you want to cover the top with the sauce. So this is enough to make 2 of these pie plates, or you could just use a 13 by 9 inch and make 1 big one, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to be taking 1 to work, so I wanted to make 2. And then just want to make sure that there's sauce on every potato. I'm going to cover this and put it in a 425-degree oven, probably for 30 minutes covered and then 15 minutes uncovered. All right, it just came out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool for a little bit and slice, and we'll give it a taste. All right, let's give it a taste. It looks delicious, looks creamy. I love adding the mushrooms and the spinach. It's really good. I had to take 2 bites just to make sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick and easy little short video here on how to make these garlicky, creamy, yummy scalloped potatoes. I hope you give them a try. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. Who doesn't love a big... No. Who doesn't love a big bowl of... Nope. I've created a quick little e-guide that describes... Yeah, there you go. Nah. And be sure to sign up for my newsletter for more trips. For the love of God. I always screw it up. Ooh.